In with the man who went to run errands for his mother in southwest Omaha and wound up shot to death in South Omaha in the middle of the afternoon on Tuesday. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. 44-year-old Corey Hudson's mother says he had no reason to be near 18th and U yesterday. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Emily Zink has a story. Emily?
Well, Jen, Craig, Corey's mother tells me she wishes she would have known where her son was headed yesterday because she would have questioned his actions.
If I had asked him and he would have said, "This is where I'm at," I know exactly what I would have said, and I would have said, "What in the hell are you doing there?"
Janet Hudson last saw her 44-year-old son Corey around noon on Tuesday. Hours later, when he didn't return from a trip to the grocery store, she wasn't too concerned.
But I didn't have any kind of premonition. I have to say that the whole time I was at the Orpheum, I was not the least bit concerned about Corey.
But around 1 o'clock this morning, Janet was notified that her son was shot to death around 2 o'clock Tuesday afternoon in South Omaha near 18th and U. Janet is a transplant patient and now says she's without her caregiver.
He did everything around the house, everything.
Janet says her son had his share of problems. She filed a protection order against him for domestic abuse last year, but quickly rescinded the order. His family knows he has a past, but can't figure out why he strayed so far from home yesterday.
We have no idea what he was doing in the neighborhood, what happened. For all I know, he seen friends, and they said to pull over. I don't know. We don't know what occurred.
Police have not named any suspects, and the Hudson family says they can't get closure until someone is captured.
I just want to know why. We have no answers. Why? Why was this done? This violence has got to stop. It really does.
Hudson was found shot near Brown Park, and there were not a lot of witnesses in the area. Please ask anyone if you saw or heard anything. Please call Crime Stoppers at 444-STOP. Live in the News Center, Emily Zink, KMTV Action 3 News.